And where are we going?
I'm gonna buy a potato.
What are we buying a potato for?
Gotta teach you how to make a potato.
A potato?
A potato. It's so annoying. Can you check to see if anyone's buying this, please?
I think you're good.
Okay.
Caden, I think you can take the lanyard off.
Can I?
Bro, there's birds! There's birds!
Birds are bad for the body.
Yay! Jesus Christ! So wait, what kind of potato are we making?
So, what you're gonna... Okay, so I call it a block potato. It's basically a potato you cut in half like a block.
Uh-huh.
Get your fillings, your innards, your innards.
What's the fillings?
It's just sour cream and cheese.
So wait, like
butter.
a baked potato?
Is that what those are called?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, that.
What are you doing there?
Just testing out the air. The best way to feel is if it moves your nose hairs. The more nose hair movement, the better your air works.
Oh.
Excuse me, coming through. Nice Audi, boy. Bro, why are you doing this to me?
Bro, what the fuck, dude? What the fuck?
What maneuver could have possibly been smoother?
No
hey,
one...
bitch, get out of the fucking middle of the street. Thanks. Can I have a fucking wiener with that? You fucking cunt ball?
Alright, Caden, get the potato. Where's the potato?
Right here. We have to wait our turn.
Okay. That's not a potato. It's very important that we pick the right potato. What ingredients next, Caden?
We need cheese.
Cheese? Okay.
Cheese. And we need
What kind of cheese?
cheese
Okay.
that has multiple colors. That's the good stuff. Having second thoughts about this potato. It doesn't bite the way I thought it would.
Did you bite the potato?
Is this enough?
I think so.
Okay.
And we're gonna use all that cheese?
Yeah. 2 potatoes, 2 bags. Good?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. I bought some potatoes. I bought some potatoes.
Caden, what'd you buy? Good job putting that cart away, dude.
Thanks, I bought a big potato.
That's that security guard.
Bro,
he's smoking weed.
Smoking weed! Stop smoking weed! Go!
Caden, stop sign!
I see it, I see it. Okay, he's in it.
Where are you going?
Say hi. Who the fuck parked there? You fucking kidding me? Oh,
Bro, that's your parking
you're
spot.
You're gonna fucking regret that shit because you can't get out now, motherfucker. You're gonna fucking hate me. You're gonna hate me. Whoever's minivan this is, you got 2 days to move it before I key your tires.
What's the step one of making a potato?
Alright, so
Or a baked potato?
you're gonna make your block potato. You got
Baked.
2 potatoes. 2 potatoes.
Baked potato.
Blocked potatoes.
Baked.
Blocked.
Baked.
Blocked.
Baked.
So, the way to make them in the microwave or the oven or the grill, doesn't matter. You have to make sure you slice it up so it could get the innards. Stab, 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 stab. So, I forgot something really important. God damn it. God damn it. I got to wash my fucking potatoes.
Dude, we're gonna be eating these.
Dude, it's water. Fucking idiot.
Okay.
God. Go. So now that I made my slits in it, let's take these to the grill. We're gonna be grilling these. 10 minutes on the grill. Good.
What do we do while we wait?
We can do some hardcore parkour.
Caden, are you over here? What the fuck are you doing? Wait, are you ready to finish the potatoes?
No.
Caden, where did you go? We gotta make the baked potato. What the? Why is his clothes? I'm so confused. The potatoes.
Hello?
Jesus Christ, Caden, what are you doing?
Alright boys, that's the creation of my block potato. Hope you guys like it. It was super what the fuck? You fucking kidding?
Caden, I'm sorry, it was just a joke.